Hey everyone, I'm Philip, I'm the founder of Survser, and in this quick video I want to show you how you can easily integrate Survser into your NextJS application so you can start collecting user feedback in no time. So let's get right into it. First you need to create an account on Survser and go through this project creation flow. So you need to fill your details about the project name and the project domain. The project domain is really important. You want to make sure that you put your actual project domain, not like a local host or anything else, because this is used to whitelist your domain to send API requests to Survser. So if this is wrong, it's not going to work. However, for the sake of this demo, I'm going to use localhost, but if you want to use Survser in production, don't do that. So I'm going to create a project, and after a couple seconds, I'll see the setup instructions. So just one more moment, and here we go. So you see that we have two different ways of installing Survser. If you're working on a Next.js project, I recommend you to use the npm package. So first thing you want to do, open your code base. I went ahead and created a fresh Next.js project here, and I'm going to run npm install Survser.js to install the dependency. Next, you'll see that you're going to have to import Survser and call this initialization function. And where I like to do this is in a separate component, which I'm going to call Survser.js. And this component is not going to return anything. It's just going to take care of initializing Survser for us. So let's go ahead and import Survser from Survser.js. And we're also going to need useEffect from React. If you are using Next.js 13 or 14 or above, I suppose, you need to declare useClient on top of the file because Survser only works on the client. Once we have that, we can go ahead and call the useEffect function. And we're going to leave the dependency array empty, so this only runs when the component renders. And then inside of this function, we can implement another check to see if type of window is not undefined, because like I just mentioned, it's not going to work on the server. We need to run this when the window is available. And then we're going to copy this line of code, paste it here, and this basically authenticates us with our API key to Survser. And this is basically already all we need in this component. Now the next thing is to import it into our layout or any other high-level component and include it in the application body. So now when all of this is done, you basically need to deploy your application so the changes are live on production. And once you have this, you can go ahead and click the check installation button. And if everything goes well, your installation was successful. Continue. And next we can verify that it really worked by just creating a new survey. We can choose any of the available templates. And for the sake of keeping this quick, I'm just going to come here, set a page visit trigger where we can, for example, say that your URL has to end with survey test equals true. Let me copy this to my clipboard and publish the survey. And now if I go to my application and I add this URL parameter, which I set up as a trigger, and I run this, we should see the survey appearing at the bottom right corner, and here it is. So you can see that this setup was really straightforward, really easy, and now you can start collecting feedback from users inside of your own app and hopefully make it better in the future. So thank you, and if you have any questions, please reach out to our support and we'll be happy to assist you in the setup process.